Hello and welcome back. As you know, we have read about the output instruction in the previous video, and in that we knew how we can use the printf function to print the value of any variable and expression. Taking the same thing further, today in this video we learn about input instruction. In the program, the statement through which we take input from the user, that statement is called input instruction. For this, we will use a predefined function called scanf. As you know in the previous video, that printf is a predefined function, not a keyword. Similarly, scanf is also a predefined function in C language. Let's talk about syntax of scanf. First, we will write scanf followed by format specifier in double quotes. As we saw in the previous video, what are format specifier? And then comma and then the address of variable. So let's understand the same thing through a program. As we have understood so far, scanf is a predefined function that takes input from the user through the keyboard and store this input in a variable. So it is obvious before using scanf we also have to create a variable. So let's create a variable of type int. So I have created a variable of int data type. Now our next task is to get a value in this variable by the user. For this we will use the scanf function. So we write scanf within the double quotes the format specifier %d, comma and the address of a. Here we have used the format specifier %d because our variable was of int type. Here you see I have written the address of a. So now what is this address? Actually we read this in the chapter of pointer. For now you can understand it as a syntax. Let's run this to see what we get on the output screen. As we can see, this screen is still on and will remain until we insert a value here. Let us add value here and press enter. Here our value 5 is stored in A. So now you ask me how do we know that our value put into A? So we do one thing to find out this. We print the value of A using printf function. I have written the printf function here. Let's run it. So it is telling us again that to enter a value. Let us enter a value 6 and press enter. Here our value 6 is being printed. Now you will ask me, sir, we have entered the value 5 last time, but why we are seeing 6 here? The answer is that when we enter value 6, it overrides the previous value 5. So that's why we see 6 in the output. But there is still something missing in our program. Suppose another user runs this program, then he will see only a black screen. How will he know that to enter the value here? Then for this, we will first have to give a message to the user to enter a value. Like by now you must know that when we have to print something on the output screen, then we use the printf function. So let's write in printf function enter a value. Let's run and see. So you can see it is written here enter a value. This time we put here 7 and press enter. 7 is printing on our output screen. So I hope you understand the use of scanf function. That's all for this video. See you again next time with a new topic in new video. If you like this video, then give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to watch similar videos. Thank you.